Now that we have set our primer concealer, now I would like to go into my 28 neutral palette, and with a fluffy brush, and I am actually using my mermaid brush collection, which I received this as a gift from one of my family members. And I'm gonna go into a light skin tone color. I'm gonna put it above my crease. To be completely honest, just like I start every of my videos, I have no idea what type of look I'm going to create. So we're just gonna go along with it and hopefully we create something beautiful. Now, what I do know is that I do want to go kind of for a purple look. So that's exactly what I'm gonna go for. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go into my 120 color palette, and I'm gonna choose this beautiful purple color right there. It does look kind of bluish on camera, but it's a nice, pretty, light purple color. And I am going into that color with a fluffy brush like this one. This is the Wet n Wild blending brush that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm not putting that color in any particular area. I do want to focus on the crease or the upper crease area, but if it gets on the lid, it's completely fine. I have actually decided that I'm just gonna put it directly all over my lid and crease area. And since it is such a light color, I am trying to build up little by little the intensity of the color. Now, with the same brush, I want to go into a darker purple color. We will be going into this color. Once again, it is blue on camera, but it is a dark purple color. Once again to the 28 neutral palette, and I'm going to grab that black color, and I will be putting that in the outer V area. I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush, and what I'm doing is going in circular motions. We don't want to have this look be too intense, or we want the purple to kind of seep through the black. With the black and purple so we can intensify that color. Now what I'm going to do is take some concealer and do a half cut crease. Did the cut crease on both of my eyes. Now I'm going to take a flat brush And I am going to take this shimmery light purple color and I'll be placing that on my lid. With the purple again and the fluffy brush and just blending everything together. What I would like to do now is to go into the Cream Glow by Style Essence Baked Highlighter Palette. It looks like this. I got it for $4 at Five Below. Unfortunately, I did have one that fell and broke, which is this one. I will be going with a flat brush, and I'll be using one of my Mermaid collection, this flat brush. And I'm going to go into this pinky highlighter color. And I'll be placing that up on my brow bone and in the tear duct area. I'm going to take a cotton swab and I'm just going to wet it with some water. Rub up any excess colors. Now I'll be putting on my foundation, and I'm just gonna go through this quickly, all my face products, because I do show this all the time. Now that everything else is done, I'm gonna go into my lipstick, and I'm choosing this one from my Mana Kadar lip library. It's called All of Me. So this is the final look that I came up with. I really hoped you liked watching this video. I did enjoy making it. You can please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Please take a quick little look at the description box below and follow me on my social medias. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.